just wanted to make a quick video about this. Whoever received it, make sure you don't push it in so that it won't crack. So technically what you need to do is just expand it from here and then pull it in like so, and then slowly push it in. That's all. Doesn't come off. And then the second one, this goes right there on top. What I did is I put grease on these before I close it in, and then it stays that way. Same thing for this. And then this. It has to be centered with the tray. That's it. There you go, guys. Enjoy.